So today I'm doing gotta change my windshield wiper. Check it out. Doesn't look so great, huh? Look at that. Dangling, very nice. Top and bottom, shredded. Anyways, I think the passenger side looks okay. Let me see. Yeah, it's getting there. Look at that. Separating. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your blades. Pretty nice and simple. A kid can do this. Your 13-year-old daughter, son, brother, sister can do this. It's just I'll show you guys right now. So let's go ahead and get started on this. So there's a tab right here, right there. So you just gotta lift it up with something. Now let me grab a flathead real quick. Or a butter knife. Got me a butter knife. So there's a tab right here. Go ahead and just pry it up. Like so. There we go. Just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to flip it around. Just like that. Just flip it a little bit. Right? And you're just going to pull it down. Pull the blade down. Watch. Pull it. I think it's pull it down. Yeah, pull it down. Go forward. Right? So you pull it down. Turn it like that. And just pull up. Just like that. Nice and easy. Let's go do the other side. Same thing on this side. Right? So there's a tab right there. It's a slit right there. Just lift it up. Just like so. Right? Same thing. Slide down like that. So you slide down, bring it towards you, and pull up just like that. Alright, let's get a new one. So I bought a Duralast arrow blade. So for the passenger side, it's going to be 18-inch long, and for the driver's side, it's going to be 24-inch long, right? And this is also the arrow blade, right? So let's go ahead and get started on this. I'll put you down real quick. Comes with assortment, but hopefully you guys won't need to change anything. Let me see if I do need to. Yeah, it's got a few assortments. Look at that. Extra adapters. Probably won't need it. But anyways. Alright, so this driver's side. So yep, here's a tab. This one has a tab, same tab, right? Alright, so I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Okay, so let's put it in like so. Turn, pull up. Yep, so I pulled up. Do it again. Push forward, like that, up. Alright, here we go. Put it in a slot. The long way. And then just pull up. Oops. Alright, just like so. Pull up like that. Then just close the tab. That was it. Alright, let me do the passenger side. Grab this bad boy. Put this down real quick. Same thing, comes with assortment. Extra adapter. I'll show you right now. all that junk we don't need. Alright, so all we need is the blade. Hopefully we don't need to swap anything out. Alright, lift the tab up. Alright, so we're gonna go, where's this guy? Okay, so it's like this. Alright, see the tab face up. So I'm just gonna slide in like that. Alright, let's go like that. Here, you know what? Let me do this. No, can't. Alright, sideways. Like that. Come on. Like that. Push up. Up. And lock the tab. There we go. See? It's pretty easy. Say bye-bye to the original. Unless they have some kind of refills for the original. No, I'm gonna save this for a rainy day, and I'm gonna research to see if we have just a refill, a blade refill. Look at this. It's on its last leg. It's pretty bad. Alright. So I hope this helps. So just doing this so that way you guys won't have to go and trying to figure out how to replace your blades and how to, you know, remove the old one. So it's basically just a tab. Just click. Yep. Alright. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next. Please consider subscribing, hitting that like button and the notification to get my upcoming videos. Alright guys, take care and be safe out there. Ciao.